In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if this clean up feature not showing up on your iPhone. So guys, first off I need to say this cleanup feature is only available on iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 16 series. If you have an iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Plus, this feature is not supported and won't be available in the future. If you are using supported device but still don't see this option, then let's move to the next step. And first off, we need to head over to Settings, then General, and then we need to go to About. Right here we can easily check our current iOS version, and right here you need to ensure that you have iOS 18.1 or later version, because the cleanup feature was introduced in iOS 18.1, so the older versions don't have it. If your iOS need to be updated, you need to go back, then software update, and that's where you can easily get the latest iOS version by hitting right here at this update now button. Now guys, once you've updated your iOS to the latest version, then first off you need to go back to Settings and then tap at Apple Intelligence and Siri. That's where you need to enable that feature. If you can't enable Apple Intelligence here, then I recommend you to change Siri language. So just tap right here and select English, United States. Now I'm gonna search for it. Here it is. Just tap on it to activate, and then you for sure will be able to activate Apple Intelligence on your device. However guys, even if Apple Intelligence isn't fully enabled, the cleanup feature should still work on your Photos app. So now guys, we can go to the Photos app. Let's open up any photo, let's say for instance that one, and if we hit right here at that icon, that's where we can easily find that feature, and now we can use it to remove any object from the screen, from the photo I mean, just in that simple way. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.